How can just your friends use your Cameos selfie on Snapchat? Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then, guys, when your Snap is opening, as you see, you go here and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, go to settings here. Then in settings, go to Cameos. Then go to the second option, or who can use my Cameo selfie. You will click and then you will choose my friends here. So now just your friends can use your Cameos selfie. And that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next videos.